Can you guess? True. True says, when you say true, truth. Fair, fairness. What it is actually? Can you get the very true information from the management? You will get all the informations and all the documents, what are all ready and what are all kept and maintained by the company. That's it. It is your duty as an auditor, as a specialist, it is your duty to find out, detect the errors and frauds and to find out the exact position of the financial position of the concern. Then why you are saying true and fair view? True and fair view? Suguna, you came with some. Yes.
After rectification of.
A little bit louder, yes, sir.
ஆஃப்டர் எல்லா மிஸ்டேக்ஸையும் நம்ம வந்து ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் அதுவே ட்ரூ அண்ட் ஃபேரா தான்
எல்லா விஷயத்தையும் பார்க்கறது டு கோர் அட்லீஸ்ட் டு தி எக்ஸ்டென்ட் ஒரு 80-90% அது நீ கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ரிப்போர்ட்ல வந்து என்ன இருக்கணும் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங் யூ பீப்புள் ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் அஃபேர்ஸ் அந்த நிலைன்னு சொன்னா எதை சொல்றது ஃபினான்சியல் பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் த கன்சர்ன் நிதி நிலைமை தமிழ்ல நிதி நிலைன்னு சொல்றான் அப்போ ஒரு ஆனுவல் ஃபினான்சியல் பொசிஷன் ஆஃப் த கன்சர்ன் த ஸ்டேட் ஆஃப் அஃபேர்ஸ் என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள்லாம் நடந்திருக்குங்கிறத த ட்ரூ அண்ட் ஃபேர் வியூ that should be found out by the auditor. So this is what he will do. Question arises. You can ask me, ma'am, how can he do with the qualifications and the qualities? Can the auditor go with the true and fair view, or he can get the true and fair view? Of course. For this only, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, they are training them. They are giving such a course or such a training. And they are making the people to work under the auditors to go with vouching, verification and valuation. And they are working as apprenticeship after got through the written examination conducted by the ICAI. அப்படி அந்த written examination எழுதுனா மட்டும் பத்தாது apprenticeship ஒருத்தருக்கு வேலை பார்க்கணும் அந்த கெயின் பண்ணணும். And he has to, the auditor after getting the degree, he should work under some accountant or under some chief accountant or the chief auditor for certain years to gain the knowledge and the experience, right? With all these things, he will gain, number one. And he will obey the rules and regulations of Chartered Accountants Act 1949. Non-compliance with rules and regulations. சட்டம் என்ன சொல்லுதோ அதை கரெக்டா ஃபாலோ பண்ணாலே கரெக்டா இருக்கும். Number two. Number three, total complete involvement and dedication in his work. Whatever he found out, immediately he should inform to the management. ஐயா இது இல்ல I have the right to receive all the information. But you are giving me inadequate information. அப்படின்னு சொன்னா எனக்கு அர்த்தம் போதுமானதா இல்ல. Whatever documents you are submitting, whatever information you are giving, whatever explanations you are giving, it is inadequate. I need more. So I want to go with some inquiry with certain aspects called loans and advances, deposits, drawings, investments, shares, which have huge bulk of money, which are dealing with bulk of money. So you will go with the both VCube and BCube. VCube in English and BCube in Tamil. VCube English talks about vouching. He will do the vouching. Examination of vouchers, all vouchers, each and every voucher related to all the transactions. And number two, verification. You will go and check with his eyes and with the clerk, with the team of clerk will go and in personal verification of all the assets and liabilities. And he will check over the actual valuation process of the assets and liabilities. These are the 3 V's. And for doing these 3 V process, he will collect விளக்கங்கள், விவரங்கள், விசாரணைகள். தமிழ்ல VQ. Informations, explanation and